Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone guys voice assistant activate setting, how to turn on and then how to activate voice assistant on Infinix mobile. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So when how to activate voice assistant in Infinix mobile. So when you will have to click here system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. Phone language setting, date and time setting, phone schedule, power off, on restart, reset option, system navigation setting. So friends, where is voice assistant setting? So means you can find your voice assistant on your system navigation. Open your system navigation setting. After on system navigation friends, you can use three button navigation gesture settings friends you want to use. So you can use gesture settings, and you want to use three button navigation setting, you can use. Friends, click here more setting. Friends, you can change your layout from here. Voice assistant. To activate voice assistant, press and hold the home button. So friends, first of all, activate your voice assistant means on your voice assistant and you want to use. So when home button guys, press and hold home button. And friends, you can use your voice assistant after turn on Wi-Fi. So friends, your voice assistant setting will activate on your device. So friends, again we will press after connect Wi-Fi. Friends, you can see. Hello Google.
Hello there. How can I be of service?
So friends, you can use voice assistant setting.
Is the
So like that friends, we can use voice assistant setting on Infinix mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you can deactivate from system setting, system navigation, and of your voice assistant. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.